everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a small Dollar Tree haul. My Dollar Trees haven't really been getting a lot of new things in just yet. I think they're trying to whittle down all their Halloween decor so they can start putting out more Christmas stuff. They did have a few Christmas items, but I didn't purchase anything on this day that's Christmas related. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I found. So the first thing that I picked up is this felt roll by Crafter Square, and they had a bunch of different colors, but I was wanting this purple one because I'm going to be doing a Halloween DIY, and I think I may use this. I'm not 100% sure yet, but this is a pretty good size. It's 11.75 inches by 48 inches, so that's a pretty good size. So I don't know if I'm going to use it, but just in case. The next thing that I picked up is this Spanish moss, and I'm going to be decorating for Halloween, and I wanted some Spanish moss because it's sort of a creepy, dead looking. All I had was the reindeer moss, which is really green, so I wanted something a little more creepy, so I went ahead and grabbed one package of those. The next things that I found are really cute. Now these are the little solar lights. I think these are so cute. They did have a couple others to choose from, and I cannot remember. I think there was a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern, and I don't remember what the other one was, but I just really liked these, so I grabbed them. I got the skull, which I think he's really cute. He's happy. And then I went ahead and grabbed the kitty cat, the little black cat. Now this one I really liked because it reminds me of back in the day when I was younger. The decor was this sort of vintage cat looking character here. So anyway, I went ahead and grabbed him, and these solar lights do work. I've had the little turtle before, and he worked just fine until he got broke. So you got to be really careful because they are made out of like a ceramic or I don't know, something, but it's very breakable. So just make sure you keep it away from animals and kids or it might get broke. So let's see. The next thing that I picked up is this coffee mug with the sugar skull on it. And this thing is huge. It's probably at least, I don't know, I'd say 5 inches tall. And it's big, and then the handle is really big too. I don't have any mugs that are this size, so this was the only one that they had, and it wasn't in the spot that it probably should have been. It was like in a random spot, so I think someone just picked it up and decided they didn't want it and then put it down wherever. But I looked all over the store to see if they had any more, and they didn't. All they had was just this one lonely one, so I went ahead and grabbed him. The next thing that I picked up is this drawstring bag, and they had several with different designs on them. So I went ahead and grabbed this one because it just looked more Halloween-y to me. It has, you know, the jack-o'-lanterns on there, the skull and crossbone, the bats, the candy corn. I just thought it was really cute, and it has all the Halloween-y vibes going on. So I grabbed this, and I did grab this because I'm going to be doing a special giveaway, and I'm going to be having this in that giveaway. So if you guys have not subscribed, if you're watching this and you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. That way you know when I upload videos. Make sure you have your notification bell set. I'll probably be posting that video this week for that special giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed. But yeah, I went ahead and just grabbed one of these. I've got to reach over here. Okay, the next thing that I found is this witch's hat, and this is in the adult size. And I really liked the design on this. Now I didn't get this because I'm going to be using it for myself to wear for Halloween or anything, but I really liked this material, this pattern and stuff that was on here. So I'm going to be using this for a DIY. I'm just going to be using this part, just the top part. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The next things that I found, everyone and their sister has hauled. They've been around, I guess, for a while, but my stores are just now getting them in. And honestly, it's just one store. One store I went to had these, and I have not seen them since. I haven't seen them before. So they are the little floating shelves. Now, I got 4 of these. Bring it up a little closer so y'all can see. Black, I guess, is the only color that they have, but you could always spray paint these to whatever color you want. So I did grab 4 because I'm going to use 2 in each of my bathrooms, and they are quite small. They are 8.6 inches by 4 inches. They do hold up to 5 pounds, which is pretty good. It includes 2 screws and 2 wall anchors. So I don't know, I thought it was pretty nice, even though they're not real big, but I think they would look really good in a bathroom though. So unless you've got a big giant bathroom, which lucky you. Okay, so the next things that I found, I have been looking for because I've seen other videos of people hauling them. It is the Flower Beauty line, the cosmetic line. And so far, my Dollar Trees, I've only found 2 Dollar Trees that have had any of the Flower Beauty stuff, and they've not had much to choose from. They've only had the lipsticks, lip glosses, and the nail polishes. I'm trying to keep my eye out for the eyeshadows. So, but anyway, my Dollar Tree had these nail polishes, and this was the only 2 colors that they had. So, I really like this color. I think it'd be really good for spring or summer. It's sort of like a really pale peachy pink color. It's really pretty. And the color on it is Gorgeous Gerber. So, so I think that's really pretty. And then this other one is more of a deep berry color, which I think is really good for fall or winter. And let's see, the color on this one is Berry Begonia. So sounds to me like they're naming all their stuff after flowers, which is a pretty cool idea. So anyway, I really liked that color, so I went ahead and grabbed that. The next 2 things from the Flower Beauty are the, let's see, it's called Shine On Lip Gloss. And these were the only, this was the only color they had. So I got 2 of the same color. And I know on camera it doesn't look like the same color because this one down here seems like it's a brighter red and this seems like it's a darker red, but it's not. It's the same color. But I did grab 2 of these, and the color on these is Stop the Violet. So yeah, I grabbed 2 of these, one for myself and then one for a beauty giveaway that I'm going to be doing. So make sure you are subscribed. Okay, now the last 2 things from the Flower Beauty are these lipsticks, and these were this was the only color they had, so I got 2 of the same color. This is really pretty, like pink mauve color, which I think is really pretty. And these are called Kiss Stick Luxury Lip Color, High Shine Lip Color. So the color of them are Sweet Poppy. It's either Sweet Poppy or Sweet Peony, but I think it's really pretty. So I'm going to keep one for myself and then put one in a giveaway. So I am trying to find the eyeshadows, and I have seen other people haul the lipstick that's in the white packaging. So anyway, keep an eye out for those. And I believe that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, I wish that you would. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.